Thanks to advancements in LED technology, the D-Series Pro from Rigid offers more light output than ever before. These D-Series Pro Specter driving lights are available in a variety of different mounting options. This includes surface, flush, or heavy duty. They look cool and do their job by keeping the rocky road visible and bright. These Specter driving lights are a versatile compact lighting package. It measures 3 by 3 inches and packs up to 102% more raw lumens depending on which optics you choose. These lights offer a 50,000 plus hour lifespan, giving you and your trail buddies ample time to get outside and explore. They are made with a high-grade aluminum alloy and impact-resistant polycarbonate lens and will keep the path bright for years to come. The D-Series Pro Specter driving lights are available in a black or white finish and come with blacked out circuit boards for that sleek, refined look. They feature the same superior build quality as the rest of Rigid Industries lighting products, giving you confidence in lighting solutions when you're driving off-road. The D-Series Pro lights feature a durable UV-resistant powder coat and come with a limited lifetime warranty. These lights are intended for off-road use only. If you're interested in purchasing the D-Series Pro Specter driving lights from Rigid, or you need help with installation, please check out our store locator on screen or in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for new product videos each week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.